total capacity is 5,356 milliamp. Slot 4 5,200, slot 1 5,100. Ang claim nila is, ang level claim is 5,160 milliamp. So sumubra pa. So kahit not branded, maganda ang resulta sa capacity. I'll check the resistance kasi yan talaga ang magiging basihan kung maganda ba ang quality ng battery. So yung resistance is 16. Ito naman 17. Yung isa 16. So magkalapit lang.